Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to define countries, states and cities. Using this option we can define countries, states and cities. Select module Banquets from the PMS. This information will be used in selecting country, state and city details and property information, Banquet booking. Select submodule Setup under module Banquets. Double-click the option Country, State, City Master under Setup. Enter the name of the country you wish to add in the country name field. Set the status as active. Click the Save button to update. To define a state, click the State Master button. State code will be system generated on selection of country name and cannot be modified. Enter the state name. Set the status as active. Click the Save button to update the entered information. Now to define a city, click the City Master button. Select the country and the state for which you wish to add a city. Enter the city name. Set the status as active. Click the Save button to update the entered information. To modify any of the records, double-click on the record. Modify the appropriate information. Click the Save button to update the entered information. Click Exit to exit from the program. Thank you.